here I am, all freshly bathed and scented. Feeling like a brand new human being.
That's nice.
Excuse me while I slip on my pretty new dress.
Right ahead.
Now, I understand there's to be a little card party to which we ladies are cordially not invited.
Yeah?
Where's Stella?
Out on the porch.
I'm going to ask a favor of you in a moment.
What might that be, I wonder?
Oh, some buttons in the back. You may enter. How do I look?
You look alright?
Many thanks. How are the buttons?
Nah, I can't do nothing with these.
Oh, you men with your big clumsy fingers. May I have a drag? Yes.
I want for yourself.
Why, thank you. It looks as if my trunk has exploded.
Me and Stella helping you unpack.
Well, you certainly did a fast and thorough job of it.
Looks like you raided some stylish shop in Paris.
Yes. Clothes are my passion.
How much a string of foot pieces like that cost?
Why, those were the tribute of an admirer of mine.
You must have had a lot of admiration.
Well, in my youth, I excited some admirations. Look at me now. Would you think I was once considered to be attractive?
Looks okay.
I was fishing for compliments, Dad.
I don't care for that sort of stuff.
What stuff?
Compliments to women about their looks. You know, I never met a girl who didn't know if she was good looking or not without being told. I mean, some of them give more credit for more than what they've got. I once went out with a doll who kept on telling me I'm the glamorous type. I'm the glamorous type. So I said, so what?
What did she say then?
Nothing. I shut up like a clam.
Did it end the romance?
It ended the conversation. See, some men are taken in by this whole Hollywood glamour sort of thing and just... Some men are.
Well, I'm sure you belong in the second category.
Yeah, that's right.
I couldn't imagine any witch of a woman casting a spell over you.
That's right.
You're simple and straightforward. A little on the primitive side, I should think, but to interest you, a woman have to...
Lay your cards on the table.
Well, I never cared much for wishy-washy people. That's why when you walked in here last night, I said to myself, my sister has married a man. Of course, that was all I could tell about you.
You know, if I didn't know you was my wife's sister, I'd be getting ideas about you.